Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we compare products to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today we have two top-notch dash cams battling it out for the title of the best on the market. On the left, we have the ROVE R2-4K dash cam, and on the right, we have the Vantrue N4 Pro 3 channel 4K Wi-Fi dash cam. Let the dash cam showdown begin. Let's start with the most important feature of a dash cam, video quality. The ROVE R2-4K boasts a stunning 4K Ultra HD recording resolution, capturing every detail on the road. With its super night vision technology, you'll get clear footage even in low-light conditions. Now let's talk about connectivity. The ROVE R2-4K comes with built-in Wi-Fi 6, allowing you to instantly view and manage your recordings on your smartphone. You can even download your 4K videos at lightning speed and share them on social media. #road trip goals. Moving on to additional features, the ROVE R2-4K comes with built-in GPS, accurately recording your driving location and speed. You can even view your driving route on Google Maps via Wi-Fi. Both the ROVE R2-4K dash cam and the Vantrue N4 Pro 3 channel 4K Wi-Fi dash cam are exceptional choices, but it's time to crown a winner. Remember, it's all about your personal needs and preferences. We hope this comparison helped you make a smarter purchasing decision. Stay tuned for more exciting product comparisons on Buy Smart. See you next time.